Look behind me, look at this. Now look, that thing, it's not the sun, it is a light, because I just saw it. What if that bastard gets us? Fake birds.
I was a big old circle right over here.
Do you think they'd see us looking at them? I mean, that's what I said. I'm puzzled as to. Oh my God! Look. Is that a big old aircraft? What in the hell?
That's a triangle coming up in this white cloud right here on this side. That pole that's going down. That's in that dark cloud.
Yeah, look how it's moving around. Look, it's moving. What if they decide that we've seen too much? Look, they're talking to one another now. Yeah, them two girls over there have been following us around since Friday.
What's that big little dog for them?
Yeah,
Look how the clouds form the perfect shape.
They said, look,
triangle.
Yeah, they said, look, he brought us a snack.
There's a triangle up there, isn't it?
I see it, that's what I got. Oh my God, please don't scare me no more. Take me home. Let's watch it.
Look, there's a circle right up there.
Look, there's the blue sky behind it. Look, I want to get where I can see what it's going to do. I want to film it moving around. Go get your phone, Jane. Oh, look at this. This is so scary. Yeah.